Go ahead and fight this Salazar faggot and get this over with.
What are you buying? What are you selling? Is that all? Is that all? Thank you. Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all? Is that all?
Since I ain't got the 44 on me, I'm gonna use a sniper rifle to kill him.
Come back any time.
Get everything organized right here. Alright, everything is nice and organized. Let's go ahead and watch this cutscene.
Ah, you just missed her. The ritual is over. She left with my men to an island.
What?
Wow, he got a castle on the island.
I think it's time I paid my due respects towards your impressive and stubborn will.
It's not my will, it's Capcom's.
Welcome.
Aw, not the bodyguard. He's way much better like that instead of inside of that disgusting plant-like creature.
Monsters. Guess after this there'll be one less to worry about.
What is that, a giant tumor on his shoulder?
Just like Ashley.
Wait a minute, Ashley suffered? Cool! I want that bitch to suffer. I don't even like her anyway. I'm just camping right here in this corner right here. Cause little dude, instant kill attack won't be able to touch me over here. Alright, go over some so I can see his head and pop it. Pop. Pop. But man, y'all watch out for that tentacle. It'll come back. And there you go. Whoa, that's close. Get out of here. You're unwelcome. Now to continue what I was doing. Wow, he's so handicapped. I feel sorry for you, bodyguard. Salazar just handicapped you and everything. Maybe I shouldn't have did that. Maybe I should let him do it. Dang it. Got a narrow hit. Futile on my ass, I'm popping you. I'm not even hitting you, I'm hitting your bodyguard, you dumbass. Oh! Get out of here. You're unwelcome. Let us continue what we was doing. Futile. Yeah, you said futile, I'll say it's just a matter of time. Aw, come on. Aw, it's fucked up. Fucker.
That tickle.
Ah, dang it. Oh, you fucker. Quit coming back. Go away. Eat that. God damn it, man. Die. Using up all my sniper ammo. I need that now. Faggot. Come on. Oh man. There we go. Show your ugly face. Ah! Damn. Wasn't quick enough on the controller. My bad. My bad, Leon. I didn't mean to do that.
That tickles.
Wow, that guy's eyes should be just like totally obliterated. I shot it several times. Finally! Now, give me your money. Now hurry up and dissolve so I can take your money. But before I do that, let's grab all goodies in the area. Definitely need handgun ammo. Almost ran out. I guess that's something for me to sell. Handgun and first aid spray so I can sell it and get money. Alright, he's gonna see how much money this fool gonna give me. Hope it's 100. And 50 is good enough too. Where the stairs at? Okay, that's weird. They have you shimmy down. No elevator. No, you don't, you stupid snake. Probably should use that egg, but fuck it. Okay, Flame doesn't want to give me anything except for light. Oh, that sound from anywhere. The merchant. Spinoodle. Still give me spinner. Alright, we're gonna hurry and deal with the merchant.
What are you buying? Is that
oh
Thank
yeah.
you. Is
That's
that
what I'm talking about.
Is that Thank you. What are you selling? Is that all? Thank you. Is that all? Thank you.
Alright, time to save. We'll go and visit Ada next time and get a ride off of her to Young Islands.